Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Hayley. Welcome back. I brought a book for you today, and I have a fun song that I'd like to sing with you. This song is by a new artist that I recently discovered, and her name is Jazzy Ash, and she is a lot of fun. So, I'm going to show you this new song, and we're going to sing it together. And then later, you can try finding more of her music on your own, because I think you'll really enjoy it. Okay? This song is called I'm So Glad. Let's see here. Ready?
Hey everybody! I'm so glad you came. I'm glad I came too. Let's sing some songs together.
Okay.
Are you ready? I'm so glad I came today to play with you. Oh, I'm so glad you came to play with me. Wiggle your body. I'm so glad I came today to play with you. Oh, I'm so glad you came to play with me. March!
Marching. All right.
So glad I came today to play with you. Oh, I'm so glad you came to play with me. Slow it down. I'm so glad I came today to play with you. Oh, I'm so glad you came to play with me. Here we go now. I'm so glad I came today to play with you. Oh, I'm so glad you came to play with me. Faster.
Woo.
I'm so
Can we do it faster?
came today to play with you. Oh, I'm so glad you came to play with me. You came to play with
Getting
me.
fast.
You came to play with me.
Oh my gosh, that was so fun. I enjoyed that. Although I have to say, it's a little weird dancing all by myself. I can't wait till we're back in the classroom and we can dance together. That was fun. Okay, we're all done with the song. Now it's time for a book. Okay, now this book is about a cat who we all know. What's his name? Pete. That's right. And this book is called Pete the Cat Rocking in My School Shoes. It's written by Eric Litwin, and James Dean did the pictures. This is the top. This is the bottom. This is the front. This is the back. And this is the spine. Let's open the book. Oh, look. Pete's getting off a school bus. These lucky cats get to go to school. We're still doing school at home right now. But someday the coronavirus will be over and then we can ride the bus to school again too. Here comes Pete, walking down the street, rocking red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school and he sings this song. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. Look, he's even got a red electric guitar. Sweet. Pete is sitting at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down the hall to a room with books on every wall." And look, his teacher wrote on the chalkboard, "Where is Pete going?" What do you think? A room with a lot of books. The bathroom? No. Oh. You're right, the library. Pete has never been to a library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds his favorite book and sings his song. Get your guitars out. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. Bow, 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 bow. Look at those. Check out Pete. He's ready to eat. In a big, noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? Where is Pete? A room with tables and seats and where we like to eat. The playground? No, we don't eat on the playground. You're right, the lunchroom. It can be loud and busy in the lunchroom. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his friends and sings his song. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. Bow, bow, bow. Look, he's even eating goldfish crackers. And he's eating a fish sandwich. I guess because he's a cat. Ooh, look. Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green grassy field with swings and tall slides. Where is Pete? I know. Pete is in the classroom? No, that's silly. He's not in the classroom. Where is Pete? You're right. Pete is on the playground. Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He slides and swings and sings his song. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. Bow, bow, bow. That looks like a lot of fun. Boy, I miss getting to play on the playground, don't you? I can't wait for the coronavirus to be over. All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. Ooh, look, a guitar and a banjo. I'm painting in my school shoes. He painted a turtle. I'm adding in my school shoes. He's writing numbers. I'm writing in my school shoes. He wrote a word. It says cat. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. There's Pete. Pete's mom asks him, "What did you do at school today?" And Pete says, "I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. And I will do it again tomorrow." Because it's all good. And there goes Pete into his classroom. Right now, our classroom is on the computer. But someday soon we will get to go back inside of a school. And it will be awesome. Until then, we'll just have fun on the computer. The end. Oh, I hope you liked that story. See you next time.